Welcome to Gariautocare again. Today I'm going to show you how to remove let me say the airbag, or if you want to change the spiral of Mazda Demio. Is a diesel model. So the first thing I want to show you the inside the airbag locks. So this is the airbag lock. Let me show you. This is the airbag. We have here three locks. This is the first lock. We have the second lock here. Then this is the last lock here. So if you want to remove this spiral, you need to have a sharp screwdriver like this one, like this one. So and we have two holes here. This is the first hole, this is the second hole. Then let me show you, this is the last hole here. So you have to insert the screwdriver like this. Look, when you inserted the screwdriver, you have to push this lock to unlock this spiral. So I'm going to show you how to unlock this spiral. As I told you earlier, you insert the screwdriver in this hole here, then like this. Then you have another like this. Look, then finally you have the last lock here, like that. After doing that, you unlock. No, wrong. Down the VP. Lock here, like this. Then we have on socket.
Ada